Hello friends, Namaste, welcome to my channel. Let's make it lovely. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications. Today I'm back with another PicMonkey tutorial on how I designed my daughter's second birthday backdrop poster. I'm going to show how easily I designed my digital poster using digital images I purchased on Etsy. However, you can do the same with graphics available on PicMonkey.com. If you haven't used PicMonkey.com before, I recommend watching my video on how to design chocolate wrappers first, in which I explained how you can sign up for a free trial and how to use PicMonkey various features. Now let's get started with the backdrop poster. First, I went to prettygraphic.com and purchased a few digital clip art. I will leave link to this website and products I purchased in the description below. They have tons of collection to choose from according to themes you like. They often have coupons. I will leave details in the description. I used Safari set, Baby Safari and also Farm Animal set for this backdrop. Once you purchase the digital clip art, you will be emailed the zip files. Once you unzip them, each collection will have JPEG images, PNG images, copyrights, terms of license, etc. Now I will quickly show you what's inside each of these three collections. Now before we start designing, if any part of this video is unclear to you, I highly recommend watching my previous PicMonkey tutorial first. But you will see it is all pretty much drag and drop in this video. Now go to PicMonkey.com, click on Create New, select Blank Canvas. I'm changing dimensions to 3000 x 2000 pixels to make it rectangle. Now it will open a blank rectangular canvas. I'm moving this background tab to a side and closing the layers tab to show you better. Next, I'm going to add all the graphics I want to use in my poster. Click on Add Image on top left to add images from your computer. First, I'm opening Safari Animals collection and from PNG folder, I'm selecting this tree, giraffe and elephant. Next, I'm clicking on Open. Be sure to choose them from PNG folder to avoid any white space around your images. This imports all selected images into PicMonkey.com. Next, I'm going back to Add Image and this time I'm going to choose some from Baby Safari collection. From this collection, I'm choosing a baby lion and baby monkey, and again I'm choosing them from PNG folder. Next, I'm adding another image from the Farm Animals collection. I'm selecting the blue and green backdrop from Farm Animals collection. First, I'm dragging the background design onto the blank canvas and I'm resizing it to fill the canvas. You can adjust it to your liking. Next, I'm clicking on the lion to add it to canvas. I'm resizing it and placing it in the middle. To adjust the angle, you can use the stop tiny circle that's slightly outside the box and turn it around. Next, I am clicking on the tree image to add it to the canvas. Now I am resizing it and positioning it to the right. Next, I am adding the giraffe by clicking on it and I am resizing and repositioning it. Now I'm using the triangle buttons on the image tab to flip it horizontally. Similarly, I'm adding the elephant image and I'm resizing and repositioning it. If anytime you run into issues while selecting a particular item to resize and reposition, use Layers tab to select the particular item. In my previous video, you can find more about Layers tab, flip horizontal and vertical buttons. Here I'm just adjusting everything to my liking, and then I'm adding a small monkey on the tree. Next, I'm selecting Text tab on the left hand side to add text. Clicking on Add Text will open a new text box. Here I'm typing Happy Birthday. Next, I'm repositioning it and I'm selecting the text and using the Text tab to change font style. You can scroll down and choose any style you like. For this text, I selected Sacramento style. Again, I'm slightly resizing and repositioning it. Next, I'm adding another text box by clicking on Add Text from Text tab. This time, I'm typing my daughter's name Hasini. I'm selecting the text and changing the font style. You can scroll down and choose any style you like. Here I'm using Emily's Candy style. I really like how the style has hearts in letter I. I think it's perfect for little girl's birthday. Next, for final touches, I'm adding few existing graphics from PicMonkey. For that, I'm searching for leaves on Graphics tab. I didn't like any leaves from this collection, so I searched for wreaths and chose the simple leaf design. I'm placing it in the top left corner and I'm resizing and repositioning it. Next, I'm flipping it horizontally using the triangular buttons, so the leaves are scrolling towards the center instead of away from center. Then I changed the color to green. In similar fashion, I added one more wreath, but this time I made it a little bit smaller and placed next to the last one. Next, I scrolled down the Graphics tab to Creatures category. From here, you can choose any cute animals you like. I added a small purple butterfly next to my daughter's name. I like how it looks as if the elephant is playing with the butterfly. Next, I added a cricket on the top leaf vines and resized it and repositioned it to my liking. That's it. That's how I designed this poster. As you see, my trial has expired, so I need to renew my account to download it. Once downloaded to the computer, you can copy it to a pen drive and take it to a printing store where they can print banners, like an UPS or FedEx store. Similarly, I also designed return gift bag tags and sweet treat box tags. Once you watch my previous PicMonkey tutorial and this one, it should be pretty easy to figure out how to do these. So this is how I got my poster printed on vinyl, and I keep it rolled on a plastic pipe to avoid any fold marks. Here are the written gift bags and snack containers I made. If you want more details about this birthday party decoration, check the links in the description box below. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share.